This is Lorenzo, and this is the Lifestyle Design Taxonomy video series, lesson number 10. It's on my daily personal care schedule. In the previous two videos, we created the ideal work integrated health schedule, or you can think of it as a health integrated work schedule. The final step in creating the complete daily schedule or morning, afternoon, and evening routine is by integrating the 4 activities of personal care: maintain, entertain, connect, and play into our health integrated work schedule, and do it in a way that offers the most efficient self-maintenance as well as emotional joy. For those of you wondering where we are in our lifestyle design taxonomy experience, in the previous video, we created a work integrated health schedule. Let's go ahead now and do the same for our personal care activities. See you inside. As a quick review, in the previous two videos, we took the 4 major activities of work and the 4 major activities of health, and we created a health integrated work schedule, or you can think of it as a work integrated health schedule. What we're going to do now is take a look at each of the 4 major activities of personal care and see how well it can be integrated into our existing health integrated work schedule. Let's go ahead and pull up some visual references for our 4 personal care activities. First, we have to maintain, that's physical maintenance, hygiene, and emotional maintenance. And then number 2, we have to connect. Number 3, we have play. And number 4, we have self-entertainment. Remember, the purpose of our personal schedule is twofold. Number 1, it's to automate as many of our personal maintenance activities as possible. This includes home maintenance, personal finance, personal administration, healthcare treatments, and the only thing we can't outsource is our personal hygiene. And number 2, our goal is to look for opportunities to extract as much joy and have as much fun throughout our day as we possibly can with activities such as play, connecting with others, as well as self-entertainment. And do it in a way that already fits our health or work schedules. So for example, and starting with the one self-maintenance activity that we can't outsource, personal hygiene or physical maintenance. Since I already wake up at 7 a.m., the best time for me to do this is 7 to 7:30 a.m. for half an hour. Since I'm already having breakfast between 11 a.m. and 12 p.m. for 1 hour, and if I'm not on a business call managing others, the perfect opportunity or time for me to connect with someone is at the same time between 11 a.m. and 12 p.m. for 1 hour, where I'll be connecting with family or friends. Because exercise for me is like play, and since I'm already training between 2 and 4 p.m. for 2 hours, this is the perfect opportunity for a family member or a friend to join me, where we get to not only exercise, but have fun doing it. Every evening between 8 and 9 p.m. for my second maintenance activity, and this is not a physical maintenance activity so much as a emotional or mental maintenance activity. Whereas most people like to meditate, I like to self-reflect, and the best place for me to do that is actually in the sauna, where I will couple my sauna with my evening hygiene. Finally, and something that I really love doing after eating, walking, and studying, between 10 and 11 p.m. for 1 hour, I will select a really good show or movie to watch, which I'll either do by myself or with others. After which, 11 p.m., I will go to bed, and then again wake up at 7 a.m. and start all over again. So in summary, this is an example of how one can integrate the 4 activities of personal care: maintenance, connection, play, and self-entertainment into one's health integrated daily work schedule, and do it in a way for maximum self-efficiency and emotional joy.